And those that are going to take part in the demonstrations on Friday, we again appeal to them to be orderly, to be peaceful, and to remind the police that they are there to protect the right as spelled out in the Bill of Rights, the right to demonstrate and to picket and to assemble. So to the extent that we noted that on Monday, they tended to protect those who wanted to interfere with our demonstrations and did not protect our right to have free exercise of our rights under the Constitution. It is surprising that even in respect of the university, where we saw police brutality in a very primitive form, that instead of the authorities dealing with that issue, they have decided to send the students away and close the university. So the students have been punished twice, suffering from police brutality and also not being able to continue with their studies. And the Vice Chancellor of the University of Nairobi should be very careful, because there's something which the universities have fought for a long time, which is called academic freedom, which is now being violated at the university. So with those remarks, I'll invite any of our team to say a word. Paul, any questions? I can't hear you. The measures they're taking are half-hearted, and they are not addressing the mischief which the Supreme Court identified. For example, when it comes to Form 34Bs, which are statutory forms and should be standardized, instead of addressing the issues that we raised and were raised in the Supreme Court, the IBC is saying that we'll have a Form 34B which is standardized on the first page, but on subsequent pages it will be an Excel sheet and can be generated at the level of the constituencies. And also something which is very crucial, which is in the law, is that the technology that is to be deployed, and particularly if the same system which was used during the last elections, there should be a system audit that is in the law, and also several measures to ensure the security and integrity of that system. That they are not coming out clearly and freely. And by the way, we have information that what happened in the last election, the IBC had a contract with Safaricom in which their contract or agreement was to the extent of transmitting the results, both text and image, to MOFO or to the servers in France. What happened thereafter, they had no role to play. Now, we are saying that, this system is not the way it is designed to work, is that when there's a transmission, it should be real-time, both in respect of the constituency, which is the basis and the forum for holding presidential elections, and also transmission to an online public portal at the National Tallying Center. So if I had to go through one by one areas where we quite obviously are convinced, and it's true,